Hi, and welcome to the Books channel. As the summer travel season begins, it's the perfect opportunity to break from routine and truly reconnect with the world around you. But let's be honest, our journeys often become tangled in overstuffed bags, constantly buzzing phones, and endless scrolling. What if your travel could feel different? If you're truly craving an intentional journey, BOOX Tablets can be your mindful companion, helping you travel lighter and be more present. Mindful travel truly begins with your intention to connect, reflect, and absorb, rather than simply ticking off sites with your camera. BOOX Tablets, like the Note Air 4C, are specifically designed for that kind of deep engagement. Their e-ink screens reduce digital noise and eye strain, helping you focus on rich texts wherever you are. With support for formats like PDF, EPUB, and MOBI, learning and reading on the go becomes effortless. As you explore, your books becomes a mindful recording studio for your internal experience. Use the Native Notes app to write memories, annotate reflections, or sketch a cafe scene. You can even record ambient sounds like the rush of a wave. With the split screen function, maps or guidebooks can live side by side with your thoughts, so cultural insights and personal reflections flow together. Mindful travel also means freedom from excess. With ample built-in storage, expandable up to 2 terabytes on some devices, BOOX Tablets can hold thousands of guidebooks, detailed trail maps, phrasebooks, and so much more. This means that you can pre-download absolutely everything and explore without any Wi-Fi anxiety. Despite all that power, BOOX devices remain incredibly portable. Take Palma 2, for example. It's phone-sized, perfect for reading, listening to audiobooks, or podcasts on the move. When inspiration strikes, you can just type down your thoughts instantly. Even during in-between moments, like a winding bus ride, BOOX helps you turn downtime into mindful pauses so you can truly recharge. BOOX tablets, such as Note Air 4C, feature adjustable dual-tone front lights that are gentle on the eyes, day or night. And on top of that, multiple refresh modes match your different needs, making reading, browsing, or writing even smoother. And when you're back online, BOOX preserves your memories intact. With BOOX Drop and other cloud services like Onyx Cloud, Dropbox, and Google Drive, your sketches, journal entries, and annotations sync seamlessly and automatically with one tap. Sharing is just as simple. Draft and publish travel posts through your BOOX device to share your journey with friends in real time. From planning your journey to exploring on the road and reflecting afterward, BOOX tablets are purpose-built for your mindful travel, helping you stay rooted in the moment. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.